Hello and welcome to my CS50 Web Development project. In this project, I'm demonstrating my project1 wiki. So this is the home page. Okay, we can select any of the listed listed topics here. Also, we can do it from the URL. Okay. Here, if anything is not present there, I'm searching for Ismail. So it will show you an error page saying it's not the page is not there. Yeah. Okay. Also, we can search it from here. So if the name is exist there, it will directly open the page, or else it will search. So say I'm typing just H to search HTML. So here there are two search results. One is HTML and one is Python. Both contain the word H. And if I click any one of them, it will open. Also, we have the functionality to edit. If I click on edit, so this page will be open. You can add, you cannot change the topic, but yes, you can write. To do changes, you have to write in the Markdown. Submitting it. So this is the new change. It will directly open. So this is the HTML syntax and this is the emphasize syntax. Okay. We can create new topics also. Let's see. I'm creating topic for C++. So this is the new page, and it will also get add in our all page site. We can add few more also. Let's see. Let's say we are adding a script. So now JavaScript is also is there. If you want to add, we can click edit here and we can write new line. Okay. So this is the create functionality. Now we have random functionality also. Random functionality will select any page from the listed what we have here. So we can click and it will have it will show any random page, any random entity from the system. Sorry, wiki page. So this is my project. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.